Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Are you ready to discover flapsteak, the hidden gem of the butcher shop? This incredible cut is known for its rich flavor and satisfying texture, but it needs a little love to shine. With our simple guide, you'll learn exactly how to transform it into a tender, juicy masterpiece every single time. Get ready to impress yourself and everyone at your table with this budget-friendly and delicious option. Marinating is the key to unlocking flapsteak's full potential. Start with something acidic, like lime juice or vinegar, which helps tenderize the fibers. Then, add a generous splash of soy sauce for that deep, savory umami flavor, along with some minced garlic and a hint of ginger for aromatic depth. A touch of honey can also balance the flavors beautifully. Let your steak soak for at least 30 minutes or even up to 4 hours for maximum tenderness. When it's time to cook, heat is your best friend. Get your pan or grill screaming hot before the steak even touches it. This creates that beautiful, craveable crust. Lay the steak down gently and let it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, aiming for a nice medium rare. Resist the urge to move it around. Remember, high heat and quick cooking are the secrets to preventing toughness and locking in all those delicious juices. Congratulations, your flapsteak is cooked. Now, the most important step for tenderness, let it rest. Transfer the steak to a cutting board and allow it to sit undisturbed for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step lets the juices redistribute evenly throughout the meat, preventing them from spilling out when you slice. Finally, always slice very thinly against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Now that you've mastered cooking flapsteak, the possibilities are endless. It's fantastic served simply with some roasted vegetables or a crisp green salad. You can also slice it thin for amazing steak tacos or toss it into a stir-fry for a quick and flavorful meal. This affordable cut, when prepared correctly, truly delivers on taste and tenderness. We hope you enjoy your delicious creation. Happy cooking, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.